O Lord, make me know my end and what is the measure of my days, David prayed. Let me know how fleeting I am. Behold, you have made my days a few handbreadths, and my lifetime is as nothing before you. Surely all mankind stands as a mere breath. It's just this life comes and goes so quickly. So Moses in the oldest psalm, Psalm 90, says, teach us to number our days that we may grant a heart of wisdom. Not because we will not live after these days, but because these days here on earth present for us an opportunity to do things to the glory of Christ and to invest our lives in such a way that it will matter and make an eternal difference after we die. And when you believe that, it is an exciting way to live. When you believe in divine appointments, that God has purposes and where you go and what you do and who you connect with, when you believe that God has a plan for you today that's going to make a difference forever. James 4 says, why? You don't even know what will happen tomorrow. What's your life? You're a mist that appears for a little while and then vanishes. 2 Timothy 4, Paul talks about the time has come for my departure. I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Now there is in store for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will award to me on that day. The time has come for my departure. The Greek word is analusis, which means to loosen. And that word is used in some interesting ways. Loosening an ox from a yoke or cart. It's used of pulling up tent stakes for travel. Paul was a tent maker. Very possibly he used that word in the context of tents. It's used of untying a ship from the dock to let it sail. And it's used for unchaining a prisoner. And it's also used of solving a problem. So the time has come for my departure. You don't get the feeling of depression even though he's in this place where Nero is going to command his death. He's going to be beheaded. And he knows he doesn't have much longer to live. It's obvious as you read 2 Timothy.